All right. What's up, family? Um, I know this is a really let me put the face cam on real quick. I know this is a really late video. I promise you guys tomorrow is gonna be hella early, literally probably right after I analyze the markets because that's what we're gonna be doing today. That's literally all I did today. No trades, straight analyze the market, just see what it was gonna do. Literally just chart reading. No trades today at all. Like I said, sticking to the rules. And other than that, um, I'm here, ready to upload. I'm sorry. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I got a cup of ice right here, and I got a bottle of water. Before we get right into it, you already know we gotta fill this John up right here. Ooh, hold on. A Now that is beautiful water. All right, let's get started into the video. All right, that was a bit too crazy. All right, so today we had hella news today, which is kind of crazy. This is honestly an amazing reason why I didn't want to trade as well. This news was honestly crazy. We had core price index, we had employment cost index, unemployment claims, Chicago PMI. This is not really important. Personal income, personal spending, and you could really tell market really just pooped the bed and didn't take out any highs. Or really just pooped the bed today. Same thing on Nasdaq as well. So let's get started. So on the hourly, of course, when I don't trade, I still like to take a trading day as if I'm going to trade. Although I'm just not gonna trade at all. I just like to, mark on my levels just to chart read where price is going. If you guys don't take trades, I highly recommend you guys at least sit down on the market just to really analyze and see what the market wants to do. I know you guys aren't going to trade and you guys might think it's a waste of your time, but in reality, you're just gaining more knowledge because you're just reading what price is going to do and how price will react in days that you're off or not trading per se. Ooh, so, excuse me. I marked out my hourly draws and liquidity. I had this 4 hour high, these 4 hour lows right here. Um, I kind of thought we were going to at least come down, sweep out one low, and then just come back up. But with elections and all this news and how everything's really just playing around, price really just hasn't really been the best, at least for me to read past week and a half. Like I said in the previous video, I don't want to say price action has been bad because it just gives me an excuse, and I don't really want to have excuses. Honestly, I really just want to like take accountability for myself and just say, yeah, I'm just not good at this right now. But back to it. Marked out hourly highs, hourly lows, 4 hour highs, 4 hour lows. This 4 hour high was just really pushing it, considering this is where market was. But I was like, hey, this is a 4 hour high. Let's just see where price wants to go. And yeah, so market opened, and yeah, 4 hour highs as well. Also looked at our daily profile. Since we broke structure, we're definitely probably gonna sweep out some lows. We're probably gonna come down and try to fill in this daily fair value gap. Honestly, we'll see in a couple of days what price wants to do. But if we do come back to this, I will definitely update you guys. But I do think price is gonna want to try to seek out this fair value gap right here, that daily imbalance. But anyways, back to it. Um, so we came, market open, market just completely dumped. Like market literally dumped crazy from what I've seen. I was literally just watching it this morning while on my phone, and I was like, damn, market was going crazy. Um, Literally, if I were to take a trade, there were no setups. If you just look at this right now, I mean, let's see. I mean, yeah, we had nothing. I mean, yeah, we got our liquidity sweep and breaker structure. Yeah, but I don't really see a valid 5 minute retrace. Like, I see a retrace, but it's like prices keeps dumping. Um, I guess right here, this could have been boom right here. Uh, bearish candle, bullish 5 minute retrace. What time was this? This was 12 o'clock though. It was literally just after Actually, let's not even talk about setups. But yeah, as we can see here, prices really just dumped, cleared out this 4 hour low, and we went all the way down to this 4 hour low, which honestly I marked it as a bit of a stretch. Honestly, I was like, okay, there's no way price will come down here, and if it does, then wow, like I wasn't expecting it to come down here. But now looking at the daily profile, since we broke structure, I'm kind of expecting it to go down and reach into that daily fair value gap. Um, before we see any moves from there. But that's just really on the later future. But honestly, coming down after we saw price come down and take out this 4 hour fair value gap all the way, I mean not fair value gap, this 4 hour draw on liquidity all the way down here, I was kind of shocked, and I was really just waiting, not waiting, really just still analyzing until 10:30 just to really see what price was doing today. And price really wasn't doing a lot really besides just dumping the bed and just consolidating in a zigzag area. If you look at the 1 minute, it's pretty much the same thing as the 5 minute. There's really nothing to really see here, honestly. I guess market's big quote unquote move was just this big huge down today. Um, other than that, yeah, you can see price has really just been consolidating in a zigzag sort of array. And if there were to be a setup for trades, I guess maybe in PM session over here. But then again, I don't trade PM session, and I wouldn't see any logical setup for PM session as well. But yeah, that was pretty much on Nasdaq. Going into ES again, this is gonna be a relatively quick video. Basically, me just summing up what I've seen today. Um, this is my lost trade from my freaking executions. Let me turn on my executions, because that's gonna get. I'll turn them on when I take trades. So again, marked out daily profile. Um, I didn't mark out any 4 hour highs because I don't think we had any 4 hour highs. Yeah, these ones were definitely pushing it. If we're gonna be honest, this was definitely pushing it. So I just didn't mark these out. Um, oh, back on Nasdaq. But yeah, 1 hour lows, 1 hour highs marked out, and then from there, price really just came down. Same thing as Nasdaq. We just came down and just completely hurdled the bed. Um, may I add, we had these 4 hour fair value gaps, these 4 hour imbalances right here, that I was like, okay, maybe price is gonna want to come down and just at least dip into one imbalance area and maybe just see buying pressure out. Like, these were just my assumptions, but it looks like to me that we did get buying pressure out of this one, but it looks like price just really wanted to come down and test and clear out all these fair value gaps, which honestly leads me to believe, since this was on the 4 hour, on the higher one, I feel like the daily we're gonna come back and visit that daily fair value gap as well. But onto it, price really just did the same thing as Nasdaq, really just dumped the bed and just consolidated hard. As you can see, there really wasn't any trades at all, no good setups. 1 minute, this is even worse. Yeah, 1 minute was honestly even worse. It's like there's really nothing to do. I guess the main takeaway here is really just how price just dumped, kind of filled out a lot of imbalances and swept out sell side liquidity. And I guess we're gonna continue with the way it looks like. At least on the daily, looks like we're gonna have to continue to fill in some daily imbalances before we come out and take out some buy side liquidity. But other than that, boys and girls, that's pretty much wraps it all for today's video. Hope you guys had an amazing Halloween. Tomorrow's November 1st, so, and it's NFP as well. So you already know I'm not gonna trade. Um, I'm just gonna chart read again, and then really early upload as well tomorrow. We're just gonna see what price did. Let's see if my predictions were correct. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys have an amazing good night. And if you guys see this in the morning, I hope you guys have an amazing good morning and an amazing rest of your day. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next video. I'm not gonna give a time, but it's definitely gonna be really early. Not in the afternoon, probably definitely morning. But other than that, I'll see you guys later tomorrow. I'm out. Peace out, boys. I'll see you guys at the top.